I want to appeal to you for the last time.
You don't know what you're talking about.
I know this much. The sea is going to keep pouring in. We're going to keep settling deeper and deeper. We may even go under before we get up to the bottom to cut our way out. But it's something to try. It's a chance. We might make it. If you stay here, you'll certainly die.
We are staying with the Mercer.
Couldn't talk anybody else into coming, huh?
No, we're on our own. All right, let's get inside. One at a time!